Are you being annoyed by the Microsoft.Ink Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Microsoft.Ink Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Microsoft.Ink Library, a primary system library that manages the localized handwriting recognition and digital ink strokes for stylus-enabled devices. It handles the Ink Canvas and Ink Overlay APIs. If corrupted, users will find that their tablet pens, Wacom, Surface Pen, work for navigation but cannot draw or write in Windows apps. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Since Microsoft.Ink Library DLL belongs to the Windows System Core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Microsoft.Ink Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Microsoft.Ink Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing Microsoft.Ink Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Microsoft.Ink Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.